rich auntie. I want to change my life in 6 months. I've heard this so many times. I believe it. I'm going to be showing you exactly everything I'm going to be doing to change my life in 6 months. This is intentional. You're not seeing this video by accident. That life you desire is on the other side of fear. And no, I'm not even saying this as someone that figured it out. Like, I'm so scared putting myself out there in this way. But then I found out one thing: life will not give you what you deserve, but what you demand for. Honestly, I am tired of living in the shadows. No value, no money, no impact. What you don't know is that I studied genetics and biotechnology in the University of Nigeria and Nsukka. Spent 5 years, 2018 to 2025. That's how many years? No accreditation. They just got accredited last year, and currently we are trying to find out, oh, are we graduating or are we going for a service? Like, what's going on? You know the plan when you're in secondary school, when you're in high school. I get admission when I'm 17, 21, I'm done with school. I get married at 22. I start a business by 25. And then by 30, I'm giving birth to all my children. Not even a rich auntie. I want to change my life in 6 months. I believe it. I'm very tired of being broke. And I'll be able to afford the kind of things I want to afford. Able to impact people that are around me. A good life generally. You know that I can keep wishing. You can keep wishing for that life, but it's not going to fall on your lap. One thing I've discovered in this life is that nobody is going to come save you. And hey, you may be thinking that, oh, life is linear. Oh, you finish from school, you do this, you do that, just that, like that. Life is not always linear. So when you find yourself doing something that, oh, maybe you don't really plan to do it, stay focused. For the next 6 months, I'm going to be showing you every single thing that I'm going to be doing to level up my life, from career, finances, to my faith, to my health, career-wise, what to do. Some people, they just finished from uni and you are wondering what next. Everybody's asking you, so what are you going to do with your life? Clearly, you don't even know. I have no idea. Some of us are still figuring it out. What next? Or should you get married? Let me even tell you something. Even in the marriage, nobody wants to marry someone that is a liability. Everybody wants to marry or be in a relationship with someone that is going to give them value. So if you're there thinking that marriage is the escape way, it's not an escape route. I'm 100% supporter of get married early, raise your children early, do whatever you want to do, like, you know, the rest of the time. But if you're going to raise children, you should have value as a mom, as a father. I believe so much in value. As a man, as a woman, please have values. How would you train your children if you don't have values? You don't have things that you stand with. You don't have things that are your non-negotiables. So if you're like that, you're on that path of discovering what to do with your life, what career path to take. How do you make money? Let's not even sugarcoat it. How do you make money? Like, how do I actually make money? The graduate, how do I make money? Like, how do I improve the quality of my life? Stick to this channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. I know I'm speaking to some people's pain point, but definitely I am with you in this journey. I'm going to hold your hand through as I'm walking through it. The more the merrier. Let's build a community here. Subscribe, share, comment. Let me know that one thing that you're facing in this phase of your life. Are you trying to find what career path to take? Are you trying to figure out if you want to marry this kind of person? Please, I want to advise you, don't marry someone because you're trying to escape something that you know about yourself. Sorry, I know I hit you somewhere, but that's not fair. You want to be in a relationship with someone because you're going to feed off them? No, don't do that. Do not if your sister or your brother that somebody else does that thing to, I don't know how happy you're going to be. Let me know one thing that you are working on. Are you working on your career, your academics, your relationships, your faith, your finances? My guys, whatever it is you're working on, comment down below. If you are on this channel watching me, all of us are going to transform our lives in 6 months. Less than 6 months, actually. I'll see you guys. Bye.